Tonight's Community Spotlight features International Bird Rescue, a local conservation organization dedicated to the care of water birds for over 50 years. This past May, a lone brown pelican landed in left field during a Giants home game, drawing attention to an ongoing crisis. Hundreds of starving and injured pelicans have come into care since April, and the team at International Bird Rescue continues to work tirelessly to rehabilitate these majestic birds. Join in supporting their team and their important work by visiting birdrescue.org.